Life Insurance Corporation is the largest insurance company in India. LIC HFL is the largest housing finance loan company with the sole objective of providing long-term finance loans to individuals or professionals. The job of LIC HFL Assistant Manager is to act as a leader and manage promotions and branding to increase through marketing strategies and campaigns. Today, we will talk about LIC HFL Assistant Manager exam. Hi, I'm Karthik and this is Youth for Work. If you want to know the eligibility, exam pattern and tips to crack the LIC HFL exam, then you must watch the playlist till the end. Now let us talk about the eligibility for LIC HFL exam. A candidate must be a citizen of India. The general age limit for LIC HFL exam is between 21 to 28 years. A candidate must have a graduation degree in any discipline from a recognized university with minimum of 60% marks for the job of assistant. For assistant manager, a candidate must possess an MBA degree with minimum 60% marks. Candidate must be proficient in computer skills. Now, discuss the exam pattern for LIC HFL exam. The exam is conducted in online mode. LIC HFL exam is divided into 4 sections, namely English language, logical reasoning, general awareness, and numerical ability. Each section comprises of 50 questions of 50 marks each. Total time duration for whole exam is 2 hours. The question will be of multiple choice and contains negative marking for every wrong attempt. For every wrong attempt, 1/4 of marks will be deducted. The questions will be in English language only. Let's talk about few tips and tricks for LIC HFL exam. Focus on your speed and accuracy as you have to complete whole exam within 2 hours. Prepare English section and numerical ability specially. Practice sample papers of previous year papers. Read newspaper editorials regularly to improve your English. Use Prep Guru app of Youth for Work for the preparation of online tests.